Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study history effectively. To truly master history, begin by understanding the broad context of events. Connect different periods to see how they influence one another. Identify key figures and their contributions, as they often shape historical narratives. Finally, critically analyze both primary and secondary sources to gain a deeper, more nuanced understanding of the past. This foundational approach will set you up for success. Active learning is crucial for retaining historical information. Try creating detailed timelines to visualize the chronological order of events, which helps immensely with recall. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing key dates, names, and terms. Drawing mind maps can help you connect concepts and see the bigger picture. Additionally, discussing historical events with one or two peers can solidify your understanding and expose you to new perspectives. Developing strong analytical skills is vital for history students. Always evaluate the author's perspective and potential biases when examining sources. Compare at least 2 or 3 different sources to gain a balanced and comprehensive view of historical events. Identify the main arguments and supporting evidence presented in texts. Regularly practice writing short essays to articulate your historical analysis clearly and concisely, which improves critical thinking. Consistent review is key for long-term retention in history. Make it a habit to regularly review your notes and summaries to reinforce what you have learned. Practice answering past exam questions under timed conditions to prepare for assessments. A highly effective method is to teach historical concepts to others. This helps you identify any gaps in your own knowledge. Finally, connect historical events to current affairs to see their ongoing relevance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.